Hi, kindergarten friends. Welcome back for another lesson. Today we're going to be talking all about the number 11. 11. We've learned a lot about our numbers through 20, and today our focus is that number with the 10 and one more. Before we get started, though, you're going to need to take a minute and gather your counters. Obviously, today, if the focus is the number 11, you're probably going to need 11 today. So I want you to go ahead, gather whatever counters you have, your 11 Legos, your coins, your race cars, whatever fun tool that you're using for math. Go ahead and gather it up, pause this video, and then come right back, and we're going to talk all about what makes the number 11. All right, so we've got a fun game right now. It is the number bond puzzler. And we have a number bond. Now, a number bond is just a tool that breaks down two small parts of a bigger number. 11 is our bigger number, and then it breaks down what two numbers make the number 11. Our question is today, are these number bonds true or are they not true? And how do we know? So we're trying to think, what numbers make 11? What two smaller numbers can we put together to make that whole number? Well, let's see. The first one over here, if we're looking at the first one, we have the numbers 10 and 0. Do 10 and 0 make the number 11? Well, we know from our math strategies that we can put the number 10 in our heart or our brain, heart's down here, and then count up with the second number. But it's the number 0, which means I count up how many? You're right, I don't count up at all. So all I'm left with is the number 10. So is this one true? No, it's not true because we know that 10 and 0 make 10, not 11. So silly. Well, let's look at the second one and see if this one could be true. I don't know. We're going to do just like what we did before. We're going to take one of the numbers. I'm going to take the bigger one because it's a little easier. And I'm going to put it in my heart, hold it there, and then I'm going to count up 5 more because that's the other number, and we're going to see if we get the number 11. So 6 is in my heart or 6 is in my brain. We're going to count up 5 from 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Did you get 11 too? Good job. So this one is not true and this one is. 6 and 5 make 11. Can you think of another number bond that maybe makes 11? Two smaller numbers that come together to also make 11? See if you can figure out a couple. That's what I'm going to challenge you to do today. Think of some other ways that you can also make the number 11. That's our number of the day. All right, so now that you've made number 11 and that is your focus and you're brainstorming all these different ways, now we're going to move on to something really fun that we started towards the end of that quarter. And that is there I am again, our addition stories. We are big, almost first graders now, and we are doing addition. So our addition story today is 5 ladybugs were flying in the sky. 3 more ladybugs joined them. How many ladybugs were flying all together? How do you know? So I want you to use your counters, or I want you to use pencil and paper, whatever strategy that you want to use, whatever tools you have. And I want you to pause this video and see if you can figure out how many ladybugs were flying in the sky. And then come back and we'll talk about it. All right, so I had 5 ladybugs flying in the sky. So if I had my counters here, I could put 5 counters. 3 more, that word right there, more ladybugs joined them. More tells us that it's an addition problem because more means bigger and bigger means the numbers go up. So 5 more ladybugs joined them. How many ladybugs are flying all together? Another word that tells us that this is an addition story problem. So I'm going to start with 5. Well, you know what I have 5 of right here in front of me? My fingers. So I have 5 ladybugs and 3 more joined them. 1, 2. How many ladybugs are there all together? 5, 6, 7, 8. There were 8 ladybugs. Did you get 8 as your answer? Oh, good job. Kiss your brain. Give it a little love. It needs all the love right now. Good job. See if you can come up with any other addition story problems that involve ladybugs or cars or anything you have going on at home. You can use anything to make an addition story problem. See if you can make some of your own while you're off. And to wrap up today's lesson, because we're getting a little long here, we're going to go ahead and watch a video about how to make 10. How many more to make 10? We're going to quiz you on all those different ways because we know there are so many ways to make 10. I want you guys to have a great day. Practice those addition story problems. See if you can figure out any other ways to make 11. And we will see you next time. Have an awesome day.